Hey everyone, welcome back to Centerpivot. In this quick Blender tutorial, I will show you how to apply different materials to the front and back sides of a surface. Super useful for the things like paper, cloth or thin objects. I am starting with the default cube. To make the back side easy to see, I will delete the top face. Turn on the face orientation so we can clearly see which is front and which is back side. Blue means front side and red means back face. Now if I apply a material, whether it's a color or an image texture, you will notice both sides look the same. By default, Blender shades the front and back of a single face identically. Let's fix that with nodes. Add a mix shader. Then add a geometry node. Connect Geometry Backfacing to the factor of the mix shader. This tells Blender which side of a surface is facing away from the camera. Now we plug in two different looks. Top socket is a front material and the bottom socket is a back material. If your sides appear swapped or you want to swap the two inputs. Rotate the model, you will see the front side uses one material while the back side uses other exactly what we want. Let's try with a real world case, a hoodie with a plain outer fabric and an inner lining. I will show the node setup for front texture and back texture. See, this is a setup. Boom, instant dual material clothing with believable results. And that's it, you have learned how to use geometry backfacing with the mix shader to drive different materials to the two sides of a face. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to Centerpivot and drop a comment with the next Blender trick you want to see. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.